Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook Chinese Kung Pao chicken. This is a less oil version. Hope you will like it. So now let's start. We first need to cut the chicken into small cubes. You can choose chicken leg or chicken breast. Both are fine. Now we need to marinate the chicken. Add a little bit of salt, 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of rice wine. Mix well. Prepare some starch water and add into the chicken. Mix again. Now add some cooking oil onto the surface. Oil can help to keep the seasonings inside the chicken. Let it marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the vegetables. We will need to cut some green onions, some ginger, some garlic, and some dried chilies. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the dried chilies and some sichuan peppers into the pan, also the ginger and garlic. Stir fry until you can smell the flavor of garlic. Now add half of the green onions. Stir fry again for a short time. Then add the marinated chicken into the pan. Stir fry until the chicken is half cooked. Add the rest of the green onions into the pan. Stir fry a little bit. Now we need to prepare the sauce. We need half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 spoons of soy sauce, 2 spoons of vinegar, 1 spoon of rice wine, half a teaspoon of white pepper powder, a little bit of dark soy sauce, some starch, a little water. Mix well, and this is the Kung Pao chicken sauce. Pour the sauce into the pan. Mix well. In the end, add some peanuts. Chop some scallions and add them into the pan too. Mix again for a short time. When it becomes almost dry, turn off the fire and it is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.